All right, number 1, we're looking to complete the square. So we have x squared minus 14x plus a mystery number plus mystery number. There we go. Hopefully that's large enough. Probably not. Okay, so to figure out this mystery number, first I want to check that there's a 1 here. Yes. So move on like normal. Now I look at this number. And actually, I don't even want the x. I just want to look at this number. So that's your b value. And to find this, I take b over 2 and square it. So that's going to be negative 14 over 2 squared. Negative 14 is negative 7 squared, and that's 49. So this becomes a 49. Okay. Similar for number 2. 2 is x squared plus 7x plus mystery number. I want to make sure that's a 1, which it is. So I take this number, b is 7, and I want b over 2 squared. So this becomes 7 over 2 squared, and these are not all going to be nice, pretty numbers. That's why I use this one. So you actually will just square that. So this is equivalent to 7 squared over 2 squared, which is 49 fourths. There you go. And sometimes, yes, they will be ugly, but we'll actually come back and factor these later. Well, not these specific ones, but you will factor later, and you can actually use this b over 2 value when you factor. So we'll get there. Last but not least, I have 2x squared plus 24x plus mystery number. Now, we have a bit of an issue here because this number here is not a 1. Before I can do this whole b squared over 2 process that we've been doing, this needs to be a 1. So how do we adjust? So I'm actually going to take each of these terms and I'm going to factor out a 2. I don't have a number here yet, so I don't necessarily have to worry about that, but I'm going to treat it like that too. So dividing by 2 gives me an x squared plus 24 over 2, so this becomes 12x, and that's where I'm going to get my mystery number from. So as I go to solve this, I take this number over 2 squared, so that's 12 over 2 squared, which is 6 squared, 36. Again, we'll get to more of this next. The main focus of this was, can you fill in the missing number? And we'll kind of scaffold on that in the next group. But yes, this 2 on the outside is impacting this 36. Ultimately, this will be able to distribute back, including that 36. So we'll get to more examples, but just be conscious of these parentheses do mean that we can distribute if we want to or need to, which we might. We'll get there in the next example.